Hi, welcome back to our channel here at Antai Hospital. And in today's video, we'd like to discuss Hyperemesis Gravidarum, why it is such a difficult to treat condition and why there is no awareness for this particular condition. Now, Hyperemesis Gravidarum, short for HG, is a very severe pregnancy disorder, commonly confused with its counterpart, which is morning sickness. These two are completely different. They have different underlying causes. One is considered healthy and normal, while the other is extreme and potentially life-threatening. And many doctors seem to confuse the two together, and there's no clear separation between the two because on the surface they seem to be the same. That's why there's no lack of emphasis on research, treatment, or awareness, and many doctors simply downplay the severity, sometimes completely ignore patients who are suffering from HG, where they are clearly asking for help but are left in the lurch. So there's very few medical institutions in the world that can actually clearly identify and differentiate the two and offer you proper treatment. At Antai Hospital, we've already have 20 years of experience, research in this field, especially for HG patients. In China, where there's a population of 1.4 billion, 0.2 to 0.3% of pregnant women will experience HG, and that's already several 100,000. So there is already a huge amount of women in China alone suffering from this and have received proper treatment here at Antai Hospital, where they went on to enjoy full-term, smooth, healthy pregnancy without all the debilitating symptoms. Now, this treatment is not yet available in the Western world. That's why this video serves to raise awareness for the availability of this treatment, which we call our HG vaccine, Antai Hospital's proprietary technology, this treatment for Hyperemesis Gravidarum. This treatment is administered via injection, so it's very easy and it's also very convenient. And there are no further surgical needs for this type of disease, but the complexity lies in whether or not there is presence of pre-existing disorders. That's why, as a rule of thumb, for patients who have a history of HG, we advise you to come and seek treatment before conceiving. This way, the entire condition does not show up throughout your pregnancy period. If you come where symptoms are already showing, then things can get complicated, and you may need to be hospitalized for a while so that we can clearly identify that you're responding to the treatment well, and if there's any potential complications. For example, you may have gestational high blood pressure, you may suffer from extreme dehydration or electrolyte imbalance, so on and so forth. All of these are different and it depends on the patient's individual reaction. That's why we need to treat each patient on a case-to-case basis. To be safe, to receive the maximum treatment outcome, to make sure that you have a smooth one, please come before conceiving, and that way you can have a smooth, uninterrupted pregnancy period, which is what we want for all our patients. Now, this treatment comes with a full refund guarantee, only available at Antai Hospital. If you do miscarry or if you do encounter any type of complications after receiving our treatment, then we are obligated to refund you the full treatment cost. This treatment success rate is up to 95%, and it is in fact something that you should consider before conceiving your next pregnancy. HG is extremely debilitating and potentially life-threatening, with very few doctors and hospitals taking it seriously besides Antai Hospital. So if you are interested or keen in this HG vaccine for hyperemesis patients, please visit the website and get in touch with our consultants, and also leave me some feedback down below, and I'll see you in the next one.